Hello, I'm Mayor Phil Good with your weekly update. The City of Prescott is proud to announce that it has received the Distinguished Budget Presentation Award from the Government Finance Officers Association, known as GFOA, for its fiscal year 2026 budget. This marks the 24th consecutive year the city has earned this prestigious recognition, underscoring a long-standing commitment to excellence in public financial management. The award reflects the city's dedication to meeting the highest principles of governmental budgeting. The city is always looking for ways to increase transparency, and in that light, we host the city's budget on the OpenGov platform, which allows for greater accessibility and public transparency. The City of Prescott's Economic Development Department is conducting a business survey to better understand the needs and challenges and opportunities facing local businesses. This will help the city shape future programs, policies, and investments to support business growth. The survey is open to all Prescott businesses and available on participateprescott.com through November 15th. For details, contact John Heine, City of Prescott Economic Development at 928-777-1460, extension 4600. Phase 2 of the Downtown Bollard Installation Project is underway. Combs Construction Company is currently working on the installation of the next set of removable bollards in downtown intersections to enhance pedestrian safety during large events. A bollard is a short vertical post which is used to safely separate pedestrians from vehicles for parade routes and other special events. Bollards will be installed in the following intersections as shown on the map: the east and west sides of Montezuma Street and Goodwin Street intersection, the east and west sides of the Cortez Street and Goodwin Street intersection, and the south side of the Montezuma Street and Sheldon Street intersection. Intersections will be partially closed 24 hours a day for bollard installation from October 6th through November 3rd. These closures are necessary to allow crews to complete this work prior to the Veterans Day Parade. Goodwin Street from Montezuma Street to Cortez Street will be fully closed to all traffic to allow crews to perform this work. Northbound and southbound traffic will be maintained along Montezuma Street and Cortez Street. Work on the Sheldon Street and Montezuma Street intersection will be formed in 3 phases to allow traffic to flow during bollard installation. This work will result in lane closures within the intersection through October. Construction may occur Monday through Saturday from 6 a.m. to 8 p.m. Detour routes will be posted during these closure times. Please follow the marked signage to get to your destination. On-street parking restrictions will be in place during this work. We appreciate your support and understanding as we work to improve the safety of downtown Prescott, especially during public events such as parades. Note that schedules may shift due to weather. For questions and project information, call the project hotline at 928-237-3114 or visit the website. Speaking of parades, the 2025 Veterans Day Parade will be held in downtown Prescott on Tuesday, November 11th, 2025. Opening ceremonies will take place at 10:30 a.m. on the stage at the intersection of Cortez Street and Union Street. This is always a very special recognition and tribute to our veterans. I hope you can join us for these opening ceremonies. Then, of course, the parade will begin at 11 a.m. This year's parade theme is Celebrating America's Patriots, 250 years of military service. The City of Prescott is inviting parade entrants from the community to compete in 7 categories this year. Each entry category will have a first-place winner, and all entries will compete for a Best Overall Award. The categories are nonprofit organizations, fraternal organizations/military organizations, motorized groups, music groups, marching units, hospital entries by veterans, and commercial/business entries. Participation in the parade is open to everyone and all are welcome. Individuals, businesses, organizations, and groups interested in participating in the parade are asked to return your entry form no later than 1 week from now by October 20th, 2025. There is no fee to enter. Application forms and rules can be found on the city website. Council will meet in executive session tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. for an update regarding potential litigation regarding the City Council's appointment filling a vacant City Council position. At the 1 p.m. study session, we'll have a presentation and discussion regarding the City Council's strategic plan. The Prescott strategic plan priority is to receive an update on the measurable goals every 6 months and to provide any needed direction. We will also have a presentation and discussion regarding the Prescott Rodeo Fairgrounds projects related to the $15.3 million distribution we received from the state of Arizona. During the 3 p.m. voting meeting, as a result of Proposition 478 funds, we will consider a contract for design services for the Prescott Police Substation and Property Evidence Facility project. This facility will include a multifunctional police facility that includes a warehouse for current and future property and evidence storage, a property and evidence intake area, including an interior garage bay for vehicle processing, a secure property recovery lobby for the public, sworn and non-sworn staff offices, accommodations for 4 canine units and staff, animal control staff offices, and interior-exterior dog runs, plus much more. Additionally, we will hold our second public hearing regarding the alternative design concept plans for the effluent and wastewater pipeline and SR 89 improvements. We do not have any other city meetings this week. Next week, on Monday, October 20th at 9 a.m., the Prescott Preservation Commission will meet regarding the proposed Prescott Plaza Hotel in council chambers. The City Council Subcommittee on Appointments is currently seeking applications from citizens who are interested in serving on the following city boards, commissions, and committees. Pedestrian, Bicycle, and Traffic Advisory Committee is seeking to fill 3 upcoming vacancies. The term is from September 2025 to September 2028. Applicants must be Prescott residents. The Airport Advisory Committee has 1 short-term vacancy that is open from March 2025 to 2027. Applicants do not need to be a Prescott resident for this committee. Boards, commissions, and committees provide opportunities for citizens to take an active role in their local government. Members are appointed by the City Council upon recommendation from the Council Subcommittee on Appointments following a review of applications. Applications are due to the city by 5 p.m. next Friday, October 24th. For more information, visit the city's website or contact the city clerk's office at 928-777-1437. Early voting is now underway for the November 4th election. If you wish to request an early ballot by mail, you must do so by October 24th. 5 city council candidates vying for 3 seats in Prescott are on the November 4th ballot. We look forward to swearing in our new council members and mayor on November 18th. There's also a ballot initiative for the Arizona Public Service APS franchise agreement. The current franchise agreement with APS expires in May of 2026. After 25 years, voters are asked to renew the agreement for another 25 years. A yes vote declares this electric utility is beneficial to the citizens of Prescott. I'm Mayor Phil Good, and I'll update you again next week. Thanks for watching.